If the sound in your iPhone is low and you want to make it louder, then let us see some of the things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is open Control Center and make sure to increase the volume. The next thing that you can do is go to Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and if you see there is an option Ringer and Alert, make sure to increase it. Then the third thing that you can do is go to this option Headphone Safety, and right now if you see Reduce Loud Sound is enabled. So if you are using headphone and if the sound is low, then make sure to disable this option, and then the sound from the headphone will be louder. Now the other thing that you can do is go to the settings, scroll down, go to this music and go to this EQ. Now if the EQ is off, then what you do is scroll down and select this option late night. So this will increase the volume of the iPhone when you are playing music. So do these things and check if the volume of the iPhone increases. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.